to add a user on Ubuntu, and I'm on Ubuntu 18.04, this would work on 16 as well, so on and so forth. You're going to need to log in as root. I'm logged in as my regular user, so I'm going to type in SU to access the root user, and go ahead and type in your credentials, your password for your root user. And then at this point, all you would need to do is add user, and then whatever username you would like. Mine will be hello world, I guess, and I'm going to go ahead and hit enter. And as you can see, it's going to prompt you for the password. Be careful with user. If you put a capital letter, if I did capital hello world, it will give me all these errors. All right, now for my password, you can set a password. Obviously, enter. It's going to make sure you can confirm that. Changing the user information for hello world, enter the value or press enter for the default. I'm just going to hit enter for all default here. Here you can fill that in if you would like. Room number, enter, 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 enter. Yes. And there we are. If you want to check that you successfully did add the user, what you could do to check is type in cut, C-U-T, hyphen D, semicolon, not a colon, semicolon, hyphen F1 slash etc slash pass WD. And then I'm going to go ahead and hit enter, and hopefully it will list out, and it does, way down here, there's our user, hello world. So we have successfully added a new user to Ubuntu.